is the question we had in our previous lesson. In this question had 3 marks. We are taught to find the value of n given this. Okay, so I've just rewrote it down here, and this is how it is. You can see from here I've just copied it. Okay, so before you proceed, you need to integrate this. You integrate it. Integrating means that you take it back to what it was before it was differentiated, because for it to reach this part, it means that it was differentiated. So we need to take it back by integrating. So this is how we can integrate. So let's deal with this part which is in the brackets. Okay, so we have x squared. We just add a 2 on the plus 1. We just add 1. We just add a 1 and divide the same thing that we have written on top, which is 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus, okay, and even here we just do the same. So we're going to have x. So remember there is 1 here. When a number or a letter has a power of 1, we don't show it, we just ignore. So remember there is a 1 here. So we just add a 1. We also do the same down here. So 1 plus 1. Whatever is done on top must be done on down here. So just divide it by the sum of the power. Okay. So here we're going to have x. 2 plus 1, it gives us 3. So we're going to have x to the power 3 over 2 plus 1, it will give us 3, okay, plus even this side, and x, 1 plus 1, it's 2 over 1 plus 1 here down, which will give us 2. Okay, so we have integrated it. So this is how the function was before it was differentiated. So after being differentiated, it came back to this point. So this is the original function. Okay, so we have been given these two numbers. We have 3 on top and 0 down. Okay, so let's start by finding the value of this function when being replaced by 3 where there is x. So where there is x, we're going to replace 3. Okay, where there is x, we're going to replace 3. So we're going to have x, where there is x, we replace 3. So we're going to have 3 to the power 3. Remember x as a value or as a power of 3 over 3 down here plus n multiplied by 3 squared over 2. Okay, so 3 to the power 3, it's 27. 3 to the power 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 by 3. So it will give us 27. So we're going to have 27 over 3 plus 3 squared, it's 9. 9 multiplied by n, so we're going to have 9n over 2. So this is the value that we have obtained after replacing 3 where there is x. Okay, so let's now find the value that we can obtain after we replace where there is x with 0. Okay, so remember it's to replace this value in the integral which we got. This is the integral which we got. This part is the integral which we got. So where there is x, we're going to replace with 0. So we're going to have 0 cubed over 3 plus n multiplied by 0 squared over 2, isn't it? Like this. So 0 cubed to give us 0 plus n multiplied by 0 squared to give us 0. So we're going to have 0 over 3, okay, plus 0 over 2. Automatically this is 0. So we have 0 here. Okay, so now we just do this value which we get by replacing the value of x which is on top minus the value which you get by replacing with the number which is down in your integral. So I'm going to do 27 minus 3 plus 9n over 2, because this is the value which we get by replacing 3 which is on top. So just going to do this minus the value that we have gotten after replacing where there's x with this value, and this is 0. So just going to do 3 or 27 over 3, okay, over 3 plus 9n over 2 minus 0. We have been told that it's equal to 27. We have been told here. So this is equal to 27. Equal to 27. So 27, 3 can go into 27 9 times. So here you can just write 9 plus 9n over 2 is equal to 27. 27 plus 0, it will give us 27. So just the same as writing like this. So having reached this side, you now find the common denominator. What do I mean by the common denominator? I mean a number which these two can go into without leaving any remainder. So it's 2 itself. So we have 2 here. So we do 1 into 2, it's 2. 2 multiplied by 9, it's 18. Plus this 2 into 2, it's 1. 1 multiplied by 9n, it's 9n is equals to 27. Then here we just cross multiply. So we're going to have 1 multiplied by this, this will just maintain itself. So we're going to have 18 plus 9n is equals to 2 multiplied by 27, it's 54, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Then after reaching this side, we just now collect the like terms. Just collect the like terms. So we're going to have 9n is equals to 54 minus 8. What is 54 minus 18? So 54 minus 18, it will give us 36. 36. So we're going to have 9n is equals to 36. Then we now make n the subject formula by dividing both sides by 9. So we divide both sides by 9. Hence n will give us n is equals to what is 36 divides 9, it's 4. So this is the value of n, and this is how we can find the value of n. Remember, you need to integrate it to find the integral, which is the original function. Then you will paste the values which were given. Okay, start with the value which is on top. After replacing where there is x, you find the value minus the value that you obtain after replacing with the number which is down. Then equate it to the answer given, which is 27, like we are given 27 here. So for we run a school of online tuition. Okay, so for those who are interested to join us and learn with us, you can contact us on this WhatsApp line plus 260 970 11 again 11 36 last. Okay, so this is the line you can use to reach us. So if you're watching this on your TikTok or Facebook, give it a follow. If it is on YouTube, subscribe and share. Remember, sharing is caring. I greet you.